magnets.
You should really wear hearing protection, but I left it at home.
Dude, this thing is sick. I'm so jealous.
How come you're not here though? You should be here, right? Why are you not here? Come on, where you at?
Drag race. I love life. I love cars. I love you.
A year ago, I was setting off on my journey across the country in a $1,400 Miata with David and Maddox. Today, we're at 10,000 subscribers, which is a little nuts. And I want to thank you guys for sticking with me because really, you're supporting what I'm considering genuine content. I do my best to avoid the clickbait, the stupid thumbnails where it's, oh no, I broke my car again. Like, sometimes I'm repairing stuff, sometimes we're driving supercars, sometimes we're reviewing cars, other times we're just out on the boat or doing nothing. I love that you guys have come along for the journey with me and my friends, and it means a lot that there's 10,000 of you that have supported it. In the past year, I have spent time with people that I never thought I'd meet, let alone be friends with, between Dr. M3, Alex Roy, and then we've got people who kind of brought me into the YouTube fold, like Eli from Ignition Tube and Jerry Batista. So it's just amazing what this community has done for me. I also want to thank Nick Murray for being such a great mentor on YouTube and being really hospitable to me and my friends whenever we're passing through Connecticut. He's a better cook than you'd think, actually. And thanks to everybody who's provided cars. I mean, look, this channel is tricky because I don't have unlimited funds to go be buying supercars or wild stuff every 6 months so that way you guys can experience it. I rely pretty heavily on folks just offering up their rides. And the support and amazing people that just come out of the woodwork on Instagram or on the YouTube comments to let me know that, hey, I like what you're doing. Would you like to drive my whatever? Like, yes, I want to drive it all. I mean, I've said no to pretty much nothing. I've driven $300 Honda Accords and $400,000 Huracan Performantes. It's absolutely bananas what people are willing to offer up just to kind of have the fun of being part of this. When a channel like mine gains a little bit of traction, it means that folks don't need you to be the wealthy role model. You just need to be someone with some passion, and that's really exciting to me. Because of the Topher, I joined the Winding Road magazine team. There's just things that YouTube has given to me and opportunities that I've been able to kind of take advantage of just because of the friendly people out here, and people that are making good content support other people that make good content. And of course, there's gonna be trolls who try to bring you down with nasty comments, but the reality is I'm not brought down by them, and sometimes it's just fun to respond to them. But at the end of the day, they're increasing my engagement whether they like it or not, so they kind of help the channel sometimes. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Don't forget to respect the drive.
Oh no! Oh my god, please don't do it. Get over, man.
Oh, that was a time.
Oh my god.
Thank God.
Ooh, Maddox shit his pants back there.
Dodged a bullet.